My name is Marie Waite and I am the Parent-Teacher Resource Center Coordinator and Family Liaison.
I'm Bethany Ventura. I'm the Special Education Coordinator for the Parent-Teacher Resource Center.
Welcome to the Parent-Teacher Resource Center at Stafford County Public Schools, your partner in supporting every student's unique learning journey.
The Parent-Teacher Resource Center is a vital support hub for families, educators, and community members who all work together to support the educational journey of our students with disabilities.
Our mission is simple: to build cooperative partnerships between families, schools, and community agencies. Together, we ensure that every student has access to the best educational opportunities available.
Our center serves all Stafford County Public Schools staff and any family of a student with a disability from pre-K to postgraduate who seeks information, guidance, or support to better serve their child's educational journey. The Parent-Teacher Resource Center is guided by the Virginia Department of Education's model, staffed with a licensed and trained special education teacher and a parent of a child with a disability. Our center was one of the first 5 in Virginia to be established through a collaboration between the Virginia Department of Education and Stafford County Public Schools.
Hi, I'm Stacy Hughes and I work in Stafford Schools Child Find Office. I am part of a team that determines whether or not children aged 2 to 5 require special education services at the preschool age. I can think of several reasons parents should contact Stafford Schools Parent-Teacher Resource Center. One, it's a lending library with a plethora of resources for families. Parents can check out literature and games free of charge for 2-week increments. Sometimes families don't know what questions to ask or what kind of help is available. Parents can call to schedule an appointment with Marie or Bethany and figure it out together. The PTRC helps families navigate and learn about the special education journey. The PTRC can share information about outside common resources such as Medicaid waivers. We are all firm believers that it takes a village to raise our children. We encourage families to utilize the PTRC's resources and make it a part of their village.
When my son first enrolled in the early childhood special education program in Stafford Schools, I was definitely overwhelmed with the services and his IEP and all that would entail. I had already had 2 older children in the Stafford school systems and felt like I had a good idea for the schools, but the special education world was new to myself, my husband, my family, and I definitely felt overwhelmed. I initially just stopped by their office and just saw if someone was around, and we were able to discuss the services he was planning on receiving, services we could be asking for. We literally just hashed through his whole IEP line by line. The women in the office here are very well versed, both personally and professionally, with IEPs and just the whole school system in general. And they always follow up with me and see how things are going. And I've just found them as such a valuable resource. They're so warm, they're so welcoming, they want to help you. They're a great resource to check in with.
I called the Stafford Help Desk and they said a lot of my questions could be answered by the Parent Resource Center. But what I got was community. I got answers, resources, and opportunities to help my child grow, and just beyond just the questions that I had, it was totally unexpected, the type of support that we received once I got my foot in the door and was able to get someone on the line.
I never personally called the Parent Resource Center, but I know of days when my wife felt helpless, felt like, just giving up, and she would call the Parent Resource Center. She would talk to Miss Marie, and she said, I talked to the nicest lady today, and they just build this relationship to the point where I would come home from work at 4 o'clock, and then at 6 o'clock, guess who's still on the phone talking? And for And sometimes it's just not to say, hey, you need to go to, this building or that. It's just also to lend an ear to, to understand where you're coming from. So, it would start out my wife feeling helpless, and then when she would get off the phone call, and maybe that day she didn't even find any help, but she had somebody that listened to her and understand, what she really needed.
Hello, my name is Renee Shelley, and I have been a speech-language pathologist in Stafford County Public Schools for 19 years. In my current role, I evaluate our youngest students within the county. As a member of the Child Find team, I am often one of the first professionals to share with parents that their child has an educational disability. That news often lends itself to questions about the supports available to the student in the schools and in the community. The Parent-Teacher Resource Center has been critical to providing this information, but more importantly, addressing the parents' feelings and needs themselves to better support their child. The professionals in the Parent-Teacher Resource Center lend patience, understanding, and knowledge that helps support our families from the beginning of their journey.
We invite you to connect with us in person, online, or by phone. Visit our website, follow our Facebook page, or schedule a virtual meeting. The Parent-Teacher Resource Center is here to walk alongside you every step of the way.